Alright, got this from MRE Mountain today, and part of this deal was the sport came with everything that's in this box. That was part of the deal. And I don't know, man, this don't look like the sport they advertised. The one that they showed in the picture seemed to be an awful lot thicker than this one. Just saying. Alright, I got one of these. Apparently these things are new. I'm assuming that this is a reissue of those ones that came in the can, that came with the key, and you had to, like a can of Spam, right? Like the one in the picture that I'm posting right now. Yeah, like that. So, now, here's what upset me a little bit. Well, I wouldn't say upset me. I'll just say that I didn't really like it that much. Because got one of these. Now, apparently this is the future of the MRE, or it's replacing the humanitarian daily ration. I'm not sure what these are or what they're for, but what I will say is this did not look like this. See what I'm saying? Well, anyway, I was kind of hoping, especially when I paid so much for it, I was hoping that and assumed that it was going to come in its issue box, like the one in the picture. But it did not. And that kind of bothers me a little bit, because when it comes to this stuff, man, that's false advertising, okay? You're not being 100% truthful about what you're selling or what I'm purchasing, okay? And the fact that they opened that case up and put it in here like this, I don't know, that also bothers me a little bit. Anyway, you all tell me what you think in the comment section of this video here, and you let me know. But eventually, I'll do one of these. I've seen them in some other videos. This and that with Matt, whatever, that guy's channel. He got one that came with the legitimate case, showed the packing, the lot codes, the dates, the expiration indicator, all that. He got one of those. That's what I thought I was buying. This was about $172 freaking dollars, man, something like that. Anyway, I don't know. I'll have to go and check. In my description, I'll make sure that I post how much it cost. And I will tell you that this sure don't look like the one in the picture. You all let me know. I'll do one of these here in the future, but thank you.